Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about the German conjunction while. So first, let's look into the conjunctions that are usually taught in the German A2 grammar. The first column contains the German conjunctions and the second column contains their respective English meanings. So the conjunctions are while, thus, wenn, als, obwohl, ob, damit, warrant, before, seitdem, deshalb, trotzdem. Let's begin with the conjunction while. As in English language, we use conjunction to join two sentences. Similarly, in German, a sentence has two parts. The first part of the sentence is known as the Hauptsatz, and the verb will be in the second position. The second part of the sentence is known as the Nebensatz, and here the verb is at the end and in conjugated form. And your Nebensatz, it begins with the conjunction, in this case, while. There is a comma between your Hauptsatz and the Nebensatz. You can also begin your sentence with Nebensatz, and in this case, the verbs of both parts of the sentences will come side by side. So let's look into the examples for better understanding. The first example: Ich kann nicht arbeiten, weil ich krank bin. So the first part of the sentence is the Hauptsatz. Verb is in the second position. The Hauptsatz is followed by the comma and by the Nebensatz. The Nebensatz begins with the conjunction while and the verb is at the end in its conjugated form. In between the Hauptsatz and the Nebensatz, there is a comma. Like I told you earlier, you can also begin a sentence with Nebensatz. So when you're beginning a sentence with Nebensatz, you write the Nebensatz as such. Weil ich krank bin. Then you put a comma. Then you write the verb of the Hauptsatz first. And then you write the remaining part of the Hauptsatz. So the sentence will be: Weil ich krank bin, kann ich nicht arbeiten. Let's look into another example. Wir bleiben zu Hause, weil es heute regnet. So the first part of the sentence is the Hauptsatz. Verb is in the second position. The Hauptsatz is followed by a comma. The second part of the sentence is the Nebensatz and it begins with the conjunction, in this case while, and the verb is at the end in its conjugated form. Again, if you want to begin a sentence with Nebensatz, you will write down the Nebensatz as such, followed by a comma and then the verb of the Hauptsatz and the remaining part of the Hauptsatz. So sentence goes: Weil es heute regnet, bleiben wir zu Hause. Hope my video helped you. Danke.